Every great AI product starts with an idea. But prototypes are easy. Getting to production is hard. Retrieval, streaming, evaluations, guardrails. Suddenly you're running an infrastructure team. Meet Cascade. One runtime that sits between your code and every model, handling the hard parts for you. Auto-scaling, version control, and full observability, built in from day one. With 99.99% uptime across every region. Teams that took 3 weeks to ship now ship in a single day. Any model, one API, built-in evaluations, and SOC 2 compliance out of the box. Real-time streaming is built in, so your users never wait. Just say the word, and Cascade takes it live. From prototype to production in an afternoon. Start building today, for free. Cascade. Ship AI, not infrastructure.